Welcome, boys and girls. Today's lesson will be on place value. The skills we want to focus on are reading, writing, and identifying numbers from billions to thousands, using number names, base 10 numerals, and expanded form. Billions to thousands. Wow, that is a lot of numbers. Let's look at the next slide to look at an anchor chart to help us understand what it looks like going from billions to thousands. Boys and girls, I would recommend you pause the video, have out your math journal, and make note of this place value chart. You will use it later on. First off, let's look at the skills. There was a lot of skills in the last slide about number names, expanded form, and base 10 numerals. But we want to break it down so we understand what is being asked of us. What is a number name? Using number names, you write it by the name. For example, the number 231 is 231. The place value of the 2 is in the 100. The place value of the 3 is in the tens, and the place value of the 1 is in the ones. What is base 10 numerals? This is where you write the digit for each place to show the number. For example, the number 300 plus 40 plus 5 would have the name of 345. The number name, if we were to write the number out, would be 103. What is expanded form? This is where you are showing the value of each digit. For example, the number 231, 231. You need 200 plus 30 plus 1. Now in the classroom, I want to show you an anchor chart. I like to use houses to help understand where each number is placed. So in our anchor chart, I've created houses for each different section of a number. The decimals, tenths, hundreds, thousandths. In the ones house, hundreds, tens, ones. In the thousands house, 100,000, 10,000s, thousands. In the millions house, 100 millions, 10 millions, millions. And in the billions house, 100 billions, 10 billions, and billions. And you'll notice a repeat in each house. You have ones, tens, and hundreds. And when you move over to the left, the number gets larger. If you go behind the ones value, you have a decimal. That decimal holds that value to the right, and those numbers are smaller. They are a fraction less than a whole number. In the tenths, you would need 10 tenths to equal a whole number. In the hundreds, you would need 100 hundredths to equal a whole. In addition, thousandths, you would need a thousandths of a thousandths to equal one whole. All right, boys and girls, the following is a practice round. I'm going to read the number for you, and I want you to practice these numbers. Say them out loud. And this number is from the anchor chart. Our number is 210,987,654,321 and 234 thousandths. This would be in the millions house. 987,654,321 and 234 thousandths. We're now in the thousandths house. 654,321 and 234 thousandths. We are in the ones house. 321 and 234 thousandths. Now we're in the decimals house. 234 thousandths. Boys and girls, I want you to remember the value of a number is important because where the number is located, its position, tells us the meaning, the value, the worth of the number. I want you to visualize money. If you were being paid to do something, would you want dollar bills? Would you want coins? What's worth more? Boys and girls, that is your exit slip. I want you to tell me if you were to be given change versus dollar bills, what would have more worth? All right, until next time, boys and girls, I want you to keep practicing. Say numbers out loud, write numbers. You can also use money to show numbers, or you can use base 10 models. All right, boys and girls, take care.